What if you could copy the trades of successful investors and make money without doing much work? Sounds unreal, right? Today, let's test if that idea actually works. Welcome back to BBA Trader. In this video, we're talking about eToro and whether its social trading feature is genuinely useful or just smart marketing. So, what exactly is eToro? It's a platform where you can trade stocks, crypto, and ETFs. But the main highlight is that you can follow other traders, see what they are doing, and even copy their trades automatically. It's almost like social media, but for investing. Now, let's talk about the main features. First is social trading. You can explore different traders, check their performance, and copy them with just one click. Then there's the copy trader feature, which automatically replicates a trader's portfolio in your account. Whenever they make a move, your account does the same. The mobile app is also very easy to use. You can manage your portfolio, place trades, and track performance without any confusion. You also get a demo account with $100,000 virtual money, which is great if you want to practice without risking real money. There are also some educational resources like webinars and market insights that can help beginners learn. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe to BBA Trader for more such honest reviews. Now, let's talk about the fees. Stock trading is commission-free in many regions, but you still pay spreads. Crypto trading costs about 1% when buying and 1% when selling, so around 2% total. There's a $5 withdrawal fee every time you take money out. If your account stays inactive for a year, you'll be charged $10 per month. And if you're not using USD, there's around a 0.5% currency conversion fee. Now, coming to the pros. The platform is very beginner-friendly and easy to use. The social trading feature actually helps you learn from experienced traders. The demo account is also a big plus for practice. But there are some downsides too. The spreads can become expensive, especially if you trade frequently. The stock research tools are quite basic, so you might need other platforms for proper analysis. Also, this platform is not ideal for day trading. So, final verdict. If you are a beginner or someone who prefers long-term investing and wants a simple way to get started, eToro is a good option. But if you are a serious trader or someone who needs advanced tools, you might want to look elsewhere. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to BBA Trader. And let me know in the comments, would you trust someone else to handle your trades? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.